Hey guys, Queso Man Rules here. Sorry about the lack of tutorials lately. I guess I'm gonna make this one. This one is about, just good ways to keep your computer up and running and fast. I know there's some similar tutorials out there, and one of the things that I try to live by when making videos is that I don't make ones that, like, a million people have already made. So, but every time people make cleanup videos, they're always different because people have their own ways of doing things. So for my subscribers, people who think I actually know what I'm talking about, here's how I do it. I'm going to struggle to keep this under 10 minutes. Hopefully I won't have to make it into 2 parts, but I'm going to do my best, so let's get it on the road. There are a couple of programs I use, all of which are free, so this is gonna not cost you a thing. Okay, let's go to the first thing that I do. This is Piriform Defragler. You can get it from piriform.com. Link will be in the description. It's a really easy download. I love all their products. I use all 3 of them. They only have 3 so far. They're supposedly coming out with more. Just click on Defragler and download now. Download from filehippo.com. Latest version. And it'll come up with your download here. Yeah, this is Chrome, so it does it automatically. Okay. So once you have it and you install it, it's a really quick install too. This thing has several nice features. You can analyze what's going to be defragged, or you can just go straight ahead and defrag it. You can defrag free space, so you can save stuff faster or whatever that does. One of the new things that Piriform has just come out with on one of their defragler updates is now you can schedule. That didn't used to be an option on here. You can schedule it for any time you want. The reason that I choose this over other defraglers is that it's reliable. It's got kind of, because Vista defragler doesn't have like XP used to have, where it shows you what your hard drive kind of looks like. So, but this does. So you can kind of see exactly what's going on. You click defragment, and it will start here. It's a little slow because I'm recording, but yeah, it'll start to defrag your computer. Works great. They come out with updates very often, so it'll keep you up to date. The next program that I like to use is another Piriform product called CCleaner. I'm sure you've all heard of this, unless you've been living in a dark hole somewhere. But this is also a Piriform product, like I said. This works great. A lot of people use this product. I mean, a lot of people. I think it's like on the top of download.com's list, darn close. Same way as you get Defragler, just go to that, download latest version, and once again it'll come up with a download. It's a really fast download and really fast install. I don't want to download this because I already have it. So what you do when you go in here, this is what it's going to do when you analyze or run the cleaner. It'll tell you how much is going to be deleted, most likely. Though one of the things important to do, this is all the stuff that it's going to go through. Actually go through this. Don't just click run cleaner when you get it. Look through everything, see what you want, see what you don't want. Because, I mean, if it has something checked that you don't want gone, it will get rid of it, so be careful with it. But it's not dangerous. I love the program, just make sure you set it to the right settings. It even has workings for like utilities and stuff like that, like WinRAR, and it goes through your applications, Google Earth, stuff like that. It even has support for Chrome now. It has a registry cleaner, but I don't generally use this. I use another program, which I'm going to show you in a minute. This also can be used as a third-party uninstaller, has all your programs in here. Yes, I have a lot, I know. One of the cool settings that I use is that it has secure deletion, so it'll, like, like eraser or whatever, it'll do secure deletions for, like, special products or whatever. You can choose how many passes. It goes all the way up to Gutman, which is 35. That'll take forever, though. I generally use the Department of Defense one that the government uses, because it obviously works since the government uses it, and it's pretty simple, and it's fairly fast. Okay, next thing. Windows Update. It's pretty simple. You probably have it and use it without even knowing it, because it does it most of the time automatically. But just go in here with Vista. It's a program. Just click on it and make sure you install the latest updates. And actually look through. When it has an update, you can click View Available Updates. Look through what there is, because there's some optional ones too. See if you have those programs that you can use, because if you do, you're going to want to get those too. It's important to do this because it keeps your computer up to date and running, and it'll keep it protected from any other things that Windows finds that could hurt it. Okay, next program. Wise Disk Cleaner 3, free version. Windows Vista or Windows or anything has a disk cleaner, but it's kind of basic. What I use instead is this. When you first open it up, it'll come up with this wizard. Click next. These are the defaults. I don't really know what any of this stuff is, what all these file extension names are for, so I just leave them on the defaults. If you know, you can mess with them. If you don't, just leave them. Click next. Next. This just gives you some basic options. Clean temporary files, remove cookies and stuff like that. All that junk. Click next again. Next. I like to delete stuff to the recycle bin, so that in case it deletes something that you don't want deleted, you can get it back, because as soon as it puts it in the recycle bin, if something was going to happen, you would notice. Like if it deleted an important file and the computer crashed, you would notice, but then you could still get it back. So I like to delete to the recycle bin first, make sure everything's working, and then delete it. Okay, next, and finish. Okay, then you get back over to here, just click scan. I've just done this a few minutes before running this, or doing this tutorial, so it's probably not going to find much, if anything. And just click scan, and it might take a little while to go through, and then you click up here delete, and you can click delete to recycle bin, and it'll delete the stuff that it finds. Okay. Next program is another Wise program. It's Wise Registry Cleaner. This will clean your registry. This is pretty safe. It's a good way to do it. You just click scan and click these things over here. This is also the default, because I don't know what these three are up here, but it does everything else. You can scan, it'll find stuff. I thought I fixed this a minute ago when I ran it, but whatever. The way it works is that these green ones are safe to fix, the yellow ones aren't. I don't recommend deleting the yellow ones, because unless, I mean, you know that they're like a third-party app or whatever that you put on there yourself, and if it gets messed up, it's not a huge big deal. But it does have a backup. Once after you're done scanning, you can click backup. See, it just finished. You can click backup, and it'll back up everything. And then if for some reason something went wrong, you can click restore, and just find the whatever it was that you didn't want deleted and restore it. Once you've backed up, I recommend backing up every time you do this. After you scan, click fix, and it'll fix the issues that it finds that are okay, and then you're done. It keeps it good, it keeps your registry clean. I guess that's pretty much it. Those are the few things I use, and you guys can go there, you look at the download.com, look at all these high ratings. It's a great program. So there you go. Hope you guys liked this tutorial. I'm sorry about the lack of them. If you have any ideas of tutorials that you want me to make, just send me a message, because that's great. I don't have a lot of ideas, so that would really help, because I'm seriously like running out of ideas. I just made this because I couldn't think of anything else to do, and I felt like I needed to actually make something, because I haven't made something in like 3 weeks. So if you like this tutorial, check out my others, rate this video, subscribe, and add me as a friend, whatever. And thanks for watching.